If you don't have a dash cam, you can use this mount as a dash cam, like I'm doing it here. You could take footage of your passengers. You could use this if you're an Uber driver. You could use it personal calls, video conferencing. I know you're not supposed to be driving and talking at the same time, but for documentation, this is a perfect way to do it. You can capture what's in front of you, your passenger, yourself, any kind of incident. So this could be working, and this is using a phone. So if you're about to throw a phone away or you're replacing your phone, keep it and use it for this type of purpose. All right, just to let you guys know how simple this is to install. I'm going to do it in one finger, right? One hand pretty much, right? And if you guys can see it, it locks it in place. That's one of them. And then I'm going to switch hands so I could do the other one and just push it there. And that's solid. And we have it there. Now we're able to get the phone, and then we're able to log in the phone and have everything ready. Put your maps. You can put your map system in here and have all the functions set up, and that's pretty much how we do it. So you can have your map set up. The function works very well. I like it that it grabs onto your existing glass. Magnetic, optional. You don't have to have a phone that's magnetic. You could set up your own phone with a ring that includes the function itself. It's very good. You can lock it in place. It's free from anything, debris or anything that you have in here, because some of them, if you guys notice, some of them are uneven. Some of the dashboards, you can't put anything glued, or it's not your car and you don't want to glue anything to the window. This is a perfect option if you're going to be traveling, go Uber Eats, or you need extra information in front of you or your music. It's a great function. So simple to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.